I want to install all the scripts with you. It would take too much time and the method is the same for all. Instead, I will briefly explain all of them, and in a future lesson I will show you the workflow to quickly install them. Let's start from the second toolbar, as we discussed copy and paste before. The second icon here is the layer renamer script. It allows you to change multiple layers' names at once. You can, for example, add a prefix to the name. The first script deletes empty layers. That's pretty straightforward. The next toolbar has some attaching and detaching scripts. The first one will attach all the selected objects to a editable mesh or poly. Detach by element will detach each element to the separate object. Attach by material will attach all the objects with the same material to one object. Finally, detach by ID will detach the polygons with the same ID to the separate object. I will create some boxes to demonstrate to you the next toolbar. First script is a random transform. The name is pretty self-explanatory. You can, for example, randomly scale all the selected objects. It's perfect, for example, to randomize trees. Next one is the quick random rotation in the Z-axis. You can do the same with the first script, but this one is much quicker. The random select script allows you to select objects randomly. You can control what percentage of objects will be selected. The last one allows you to randomize UVW mapping. The next toolbar will help you keep your scene clean. The cleaner script allows you to check how many certain things that can cause problems you have in your scene. Then, you can select an object or materials which has this option. Mr. Clean works similar. You have different options. Just test it out. Next script will delete all the missing plugins from your file. Very handy when you import a lot of things into your scene. The free memory script allows you to delete some data that might slow your scene. I don't use it very often, but it's good to have just in case. The next script allows you to quickly change the texture display settings inside the viewport. The Zorb script gives you all the information about the scene. When you have some problem, you can find out here the things that might cause it. The last toolbar contains all the other useful scripts. The image comp helper helps you with the composition of your image. We use this one a lot in our Arvis artist training. The quick measure allows you to quickly check the dimension. Speedometer shows you how fast animated objects are moving. You can change the wire colors of the object in your scene using the wire color tool. With the help of the next script, you can align an object to an edge of another object. AutoEdge selected plugin can turn off the visibility of some edges inside editable mesh. It's very useful when importing models creating in different software. Next three scripts allow you to change the pivot point of the object. With the first one, you have 27 options. The second one will switch the pivot point between the center and the base of an object. The last one allows you to copy the pivot of other objects. Light lister shows you all the lights inside your scene. You can change the values too. Next script allows you to change the type of the display of a Corona proxy. You can change either all of the proxies in your scene or just selected ones. With this script, you can just drag and drop the image to create a plane with assigned material. It will create a standard material, but it is easy to replace it. I will create some proxies to demonstrate to you the next script. You can replace all the instances of one proxy to another. Now, you can see how Corona proxy display script works. With this one, you have some sweep profiles that you can use. Next script is helping with creating objects ID and material ID for masks. With this script, you can change the display option to object color or object material. The last script in this toolbar is batch camera render. You can render each camera in your scene with different settings. The last two scripts can hide and show the animation time slider. I keep it hidden to have more viewport space. That's all the toolbars. See you in the next lesson.